Alright guys, bluecollarcustomcycles.com. We've got a 2021 M8 Tri Glide. We just got done putting the Legends air ride system on. I want to thank Bill from PA coming down today, get this put on. He's going to be heading home tonight. Well, right now we've got the Legends air adjustable shocks. There's your up-down control right on the bar. We've also done the upgrade. Give the air pressure gauge so you know where you're at. And right now she's all the way up. We're going to do another side shot like we always do and drop it down so you can see the difference. And we'll go back up. And it's an on-demand compressor. Whenever you need to pump up, you hit your up button, the compressor takes over. It'll allow you to adjust it anywhere in between.
Don't forget your bump stops.
Now, one of the things that Legends has that a lot of your other cheaper systems don't have is built-in bump stops. So if you have an airline come undone, have a problem, and lose your air, you can still drive this vehicle. It'll drop down to the bump stops, you're good to go. It's not going to be hitting your frame or your mufflers. And we've done a video before, but on this gauge, what we talk about is when you drop down, you see your gauge go down. And when you pump up, once you find the spot that you like, say you're riding solo, just remember that setting. And then once you find the spot where it's you and the passenger, you can remember that setting and go right to it every time. bluecollarcustomcycles.com